2025 Ford Mustang GT is finally here, and it's bringing serious power to the streets. This latest version of the legendary muscle car packs a naturally aspirated 5.0L V8 engine, pushing out an impressive 486 horsepower. Ford has stayed true to its roots by keeping the iconic growl alive. And yes, you can still get it with a 6-speed manual transmission for that raw driving experience. The exterior has been completely redesigned with sharper lines, aggressive LED headlights, and a new grille that makes it look meaner than ever. It's not just about looks. The new Mustang GT is built for performance. Ford has introduced a brand new electronic drift brake, making it even easier to slide this beast around corners like a pro. Inside, things have taken a major leap forward. The traditional gauges are gone, replaced by a massive 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster that you can customize to your liking. The center console is dominated by a 13.2-inch touchscreen running Ford's latest Sync 4 system, giving you seamless connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The entire cockpit is now designed to feel more like a fighter jet, with a driver-focused layout and high-quality materials. Performance-wise, the 2025 Mustang GT delivers an adrenaline-pumping ride. The upgraded MagnaRide suspension keeps the car planted, while the new active valve exhaust system allows you to switch between quiet mode and full-on beast mode with the push of a button. But here's the real question. Does the 2025 Mustang GT still rule the muscle car world, or is it facing serious competition from the new Dodge Charger EV and Chevrolet Camaro? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic car reviews.